Hey everybody, it's Ree in real life. I am making this meal, quick and easy meal. I don't even know what it's going to be, but this is for the people who are tired of cooking and just want to cook and go. So you'll be seeing my hands. I have my crock pot. I have some already rinsed chicken thighs, and let's just go to work. So I put these in. I guess it'll help if I turn it on. These were frozen. They're pretty defrosted. But some of them are still a little bit frozen, but that's okay. I'm just going to wash my hands. I do not like touching raw meat. I'll just rinse them. Alright, and then I have my bag of frozen veggies. So let's see what I have here. I have some peppers, some yellow and orange peppers. I have some green onions. This is something that my father used to do. He used to buy, we call them cooking vegetables. You know about the Trinity, which is onions, bell pepper. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Oh my goodness. Wow. He'd be so upset. But anyways, this is a bag of frozen onions. And what else do I have in here? Oh, bell pepper. These are my staple vegetables that I cook with for seasoning. So I'll put those in there. Alright. I cannot go without garlic. I love minced garlic. If I can open it, I always have trouble opening. I'm gonna put a little bit. I don't measure anything, whether it's food or whether it's things that I'm making for oils or home products. I just dump and go. I eyeball everything, so bear with me. So now I have my seasonings. I have pink Himalayan salt. And I'm going to move my vegetables over to the side a little bit. I have a little bit of oregano. Let's see. Alright, so let's go. Pepper. And it sounds like I'm using a lot, but come on, these are being ground by my hand. So it's not a lot. Garlic powder. Yep, I'm putting garlic powder. This is 6 pepper seasoning blend. I won't put too much of that. And my favorite curry powder. This gives so much flavor. I don't know, I just love it. I love the taste of it. I didn't think that I would. I've been using it for a little bit now. And so just kind of move all your meat around so that it can get nice and covered. One more thing. I cannot go without Lori's seasoning salt. It is a staple in my household. And yes, I put other salt already, so I'm just using this sparingly. So just kind of mix everything together. Get everything nice and all the meat coated with vegetables and seasoning. You can always go back and season. I was always taught it's better to under season than over season because you can always add more. So that's it. This will kind of start to make its own juice after a while. I may put a little teriyaki sauce in there later if I feel it needs it. So when I make this, sometimes I will just put it over rice, or I may make chicken tacos. I mean, it's endless, but this way your chicken is done. You set it and forget it. So that's it. Hashtag Ree in real life. I'm tired today. I'm just trying to get things done. So, quick and easy. I put it on high. You can put it on low. My time is about 11 o'clock, so I may let it cook on high for maybe 3 hours and then turn it down to low. It just depends on what you want to do and the kind of time that you have. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you do with your chicken once you have it like this in a crock pot. All right. Signing off.